Welcome back, everyone. Today I will show you how to install Python, the latest version of Python. But usually it's good to check your computer if it doesn't have Python already. So as you can see, I am just on the start or search bar. As you can see, then maybe it's good to check it from the command prompt. Then you can just write command prompt and open this the command prompt and then check if you have Python already installed in your computer. So by writing Python hyphen version and let's check. As you can see, I have Python 3.11.5 on my computer. So I think this is good enough. I think it's almost the latest, so I can be okay. But sometimes you may want to have the latest version. Another way to check also if there's Python or not, you just write Python. And then as you can see, the Python interactive shell has been opened. So I can write Python over here. For instance, 1 plus 2. As you can see, Python did arithmetic operation for me, maybe 2 times 3, and then it should give me 6. Yeah, so this shows me that Python is already installed in the local machine or in my computer. So I can exit from here by writing exit like this, or you can just close over here. So, but you can override by just installing a new Python, but you can also remove the already existing Python. So I can remove the already existing Python and install. I can go all the way and remove the Python. As you can see, it's here and just wait for some time. Now, in the meantime, I can go to the official website of Python. So we can write Python and let's see here, Python. And what's the latest version of Python? Python 3.12.1. So as you can see, it detected my computer and now currently I'm using Windows. So I think this is just the compatible version for my computer. So just click over here and wait until it finished the downloading. Yeah, as you can see, downloading is complete, but I should wait for this. Yeah, as you can see, complete. So unsuccessful. I mean, an installation was successful. So I can remove that. Again, if I check Python version, yeah, there is no Python. Python was not found. That's great. Then now let's install this one by just, yeah, now when you install, usually remember to tick this one and install, and then just wait for some time. Yeah, as you can see, Python 3.12.1 is being installed, and let's just wait for some time. Okay, it's taking some time. Yeah, you can speed up the video. You don't have to wait. So oh yeah, setup was successful. And then let's just close this one. Again, write MD and Python version. And let's see. Yeah, as you can see now, I have the latest version of Python. Let me see if I have 10 plus maybe 90, I should get 100. 1 plus 99. Yes, or maybe 10 times 10, and it should be 100, or maybe 100 divided by 20. I should get 5 or something. So we have Python on our local machine. I think now you're ready to go to use Python in different ways. That was the installation of Python. Now you have the latest version of Python on your computer. Yep, good.